Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video we're going to be doing Gaara 1 from VulnHub. This box is rated about solid easy, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I haven't done this box, so the first thing I would do is actually just open my terminals here. Let me split these. Alright, so I'm going to start a net discover minus r 10.0.0.1. We'll do minus 24 slash IET0. Let me delete this. We can press on that. I'm looking at this to get IP of the box 10.0.0.19. So I'm gonna run an mmap scan on here. So I'm gonna do mmap. I'll do minus SC minus SV. We'll scan all ports on here. We can press on that. I'm gonna do a netcat minus NV. We'll do this on port 80. We do see that HTTP is open. Here we do get a picture here, so I'm gonna just do Control U to view the source code. Look at this. This seems like we just have a link to the picture, right? So I'm gonna run a GoBuster on here. We'll run we'll do GoBuster dir mode minus U HTTP. We'll do minus W as a user share word list dirbuster. We'll do directory list 2.3 medium.txt. We'll specify the extensions at HTML, TXT, and also PHP. We can press enter on that. So I'm going to go under my VulnHub. We'll cd into VulnHub. We'll do mkdir's Gaara, I believe. I think that was the name of the box, right? So it was the mkdir Gaara. Okay, so over here we do have a port 22 open and also port 80 open. So we could check the XUp data for this, see if there's any, or use stake hide, which I really doubt it. Next thing I would do when there's really nothing, we'll go to the simplest form of attack, which is a brute force attack. We'll do Hydra install. We'll specify the username as Gaara. We'll do minus P for user share word list rocku.txt. We'll do extensions, or we'll do minus I so we don't restore the session. And we'll 10.0.0.19 port 22. We can press enter on that. And we also do have this server here, okay? So let's try to visit this. Let's do Control U. It doesn't seem like we do have anything, so I'm gonna run a GoBuster against this. We can press enter on that and see if we get anything from there. And just for a little bit of discovery for on the web server, we can run a Nikto scan. So we'll do Nikto minus host. We'll do 10.0.0.19. Alright, so after some time waiting, we do get a valid credential as Gaara and I love you too. So we'll try to SSH into this. Let me just clear this or close this out. So I'll do SSH as Gaara. We'll do 10.0.0.19. And we do have the password right here. And we do we do get a login or login successful, right? So since we do have a password, we can run sudo minus l, which seems like we can't. So let's check out. We do have our flag.txt. Also, I do have this right here. We do have a base 64 here. So let's try to decode this. I'm gonna split my terminal here. So do base 64, or let's just echo this out. We'll pipe this down to base 64 minus d. Just show a directory as user local games root. We can open a text editor here and just keep that in there. Let's check out our home directory. So we'll cd into /home, see if there's any users under here. It seems like it's just us. Let's do alice-la. It doesn't seem like we do have anything here, right? So we do have user local games. So I'm gonna go user local games. We do have super secret. This seems like this is a type of this is a type of text that we can decode. I think this is the one I like using. Here you go. We can go to text. That seems like we can try harder, right? So it doesn't seem like we have anything under here. Let's go to local. Let's go to var. We'll go with www HTML. Well, let me check my ID real quick. See if we have any IDs. We don't. So let's go to HTML. We do have these as root. So cat these out. Let's do a I'll do a head on here. Seems like this is just a letter. Let's cat this out. It seems like we do have a /tamari. I'm guessing it's the same thing for this, right? Okay, we have nothing there. Okay, so same thing, right? Okay, yeah. So let's go under the next thing I would do is actually run a enum for Linux on here. So let me save these credentials here just in case. Here, let me visit this one more time, see if there's anything in here, unless I'm missing something. Okay, so I'm gonna run a enum for Linux. We'll go under or run a limpies actually. We'll go under dev shm. So I'll see into my documents. We can go under privilege escalation. We do have a lot of limpies here. We'll clear this. And we do have limpies.sh. So I'm gonna start Python server. So we'll do Python 3 -mhttp.server. We'll start this on port 8080. So I'm gonna get HTTP 10.0.0.69 on port 8080. And we do have our limpies.sh. So let's copy that into there. We can do chmod +x for limpies. And we'll output this to an output .txt. Okay, so now we can start a Python server on here. Actually, I'm just do more since we do have a persistent SSH connection. Looking at this, we can look at this limppies file. So right now we should be looking for red, so we can discover anything. We do have a sudo version of 1.8.27. Seems like we can actually we can use this exploit here probably. We'll quit this. Let's see. This is only if we have we can't run sudo on here, so this wouldn't really matter. Okay, let's go more into this. I'm actually gonna open another SSH connection here, so we'll do SSH at 10.0.019. I think it was I love you too. Okay, just so we can test our prevesc on this machine right here. So we just do we have a, seems like we have SUID for GDB. Can we actually do let's go to GTFO bins. We do have GDB here. Let's see. Let's do Control F as SUID. So you can run this. We could do ls-la for user bin GDB. It does seem like it's a SUID. Let's run this. Let's do ID. We are root. So we can cat root.txt. And you can and there's our root flag. So yeah, so it did seem like this was a SUID bitset. Looking at this, we just ran this, and it was already installed. This is only if it wasn't installed and if you did have sudo privileges. But since we don't, this is already a SUID, and we just ran this and we got a root shell, right? And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Well guys, that's pretty much in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.